Blessings, everyone. I hope everyone is being safe. Thank you for tuning in to another cleaning video with me today. So today I am going to be tackling my desk/virtual learning e-learning section. This is the section where I work and the kids work, and it just became a mess over the last few weeks due to me being a little sick and under the weather. But now I got my energy back. I've been taking my sea moss and my vitamin D, and we're going to get right into this video.
Sky is blue, the snow is gone now from the streets.
So the first thing that I'm going to do is tackle this desk. My God, it was so many papers and mailers, and a lot of times when the kids are down here and I'm upstairs, they get the mail and they just throw it on the desk. It was actually a lot of junk mail, old mail, things that I've cleaned, just a bunch of everything. So I'm just going to go through everything right now, and I got a little trash bag, and I'm just going to kind of put everything right in this trash bag.
Never happened, I'm still waiting.
The goal for this space is to make it a boho desk area vibe. That is the vibe that I'm looking for, even if I have to change the desk out. So this is one of the upcoming projects that I have for this desk area, is to turn it into just a whole bohemian vibe, like I just said. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and finish cleaning it up. Just because it's not the boho vibe that I want, don't mean it can't be clean. So we're going to go ahead and get that done.
Do you hear the blackbird? Do you feel it here? Must be feeling something.
So what I'm doing is putting things into just a proper place of what I have it. So I have a bunch of these cardboard, I'm going to say they're like paper holders, and they are labeled with little post-it notes. And I just have everything sectioned out, like my bills, important documents and papers, a few camera equipment, and some of Amir everyday class things that he used. He had like a little mini whiteboard and some reading books and some paper that he needs. So what I'm doing right here is I am just organizing all the pens, pencils, crayons, little 3x5 cards. I purchased this white cart from Michael's, I believe. I think it was like maybe 30 to 40 bucks. I purchased it last spring when the kids first started e-learning, and I really, really love it. The initial plan for the cart was to have each child have a section on it, but that didn't work out. So I just kind of put things on there as I see fit or where it fits comfortable. A lot of the stuff on here is for Isla, who is my daughter, who is in preschool. She's in preschool with me, and I just buy a lot of books, a lot of activities, a lot of arts and crafts for her to do. As you can see, she chose to do some arts and craft on her own and kind of paint, and it got on the cart, it got on the desk, and it got on my floor and the rug. But first, we're just going to go ahead and try to just organize this.
Come out and play. It's Saturday, and I promise I'll love you much better now. The sour taste will wash away, 'cause I promise I'm better now. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close.
Now I'm going back and forth from the desk to the cart area because it was stuff everywhere. Stuff on the cart area should have been on the desk, and the stuff on the desk should have been in the cart area. So I'm just trying to go back and forth to make sure I get as much of it as possible. So this little purple cart just got some odds and ends for the kids, really for Amir to kind of do his work. So yeah, let me go ahead and finish getting right to it. I did speed it up a little bit because it is very tedious trying to go through all this paper.
Love me like yesterday. I'm sure messed up, not once or twice, but every time you thought that we
I'm doing right now is going in with this Method cleaner to kind of wipe down the entire desk. It was really dusty and just some, ink marks and pencil marks on the desk. So that's what I'm doing right now.
Are you feeling it too? Oh, baby. Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe? Won't you love me?
So what we're doing right here is we're going to sweep up all the trash that came off the desk from you wiping it down and anything that was under the desk. Please leave a comment down below on some ideas of what I could put under the desk. I'm thinking baskets. I'm just a lover of all things baskets. But I want to kind of make it really nice. I actually want to take off the printer and put it down below. So this is a wireless printer, and it's just kind of in the way on the desk, and I want to put it under the desk. So just comment down below some really nice ideas that I can do underneath the desk.
Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe? Won't you love me? Oh, but kinda new way. Oh, but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too, babe. And love me like yesterday. Oh, but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too. And love me like yesterday. Love me like yesterday. Yesterday. Will you love
So I just want to point out that blue paint that Isla had dripped all over my floor and all over the rug. Now the paint did come off the floor, which was no problem. But I put some carpet cleaner, like a spray, on top of it. I'm just going to let that sit for 24 hours and then I'm going to see if it comes up. I'm actually thinking about moving the entire rug. For some reason, I think it's too big for the space. So I'm going to probably swap it out for the rug in the living room. But yeah, so what I'm doing right now is I'm just going to put up a dry erase board and just like a board where I can tack some important documents and different things that need to go up there, just so I can remember them and to make sure I'm staying on top of my work from home and also on top of the kids' things that they need to get done. I just want to say thank you for everyone who took the time to watch the entire video. It means a lot. I put a lot into doing this and I just really, honestly, really appreciate it. You can also go ahead and follow me onto my Instagram. I'm going to link that below. And I do a lot more fun things with myself, with the kids, just a touch on a little bit of everything. Got tongue-tied, sorry. So again, the whole purpose of today was to clean the space up, so it's just a clean working environment. I know that I work better in a clean environment and the children also work better in a clean environment. So this is the reveal. So I just wanted to kind of give you a up close and personal of how clean everything looks. Again, don't pay attention to all the chip paint and different things that's on that desk. Today was merely about cleaning and organizing the space so we can have a productive work week. Again, thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Peace and blessings, and you guys be safe out there.